just inhale it all through the night. You know how us girls do it. I just need a little time to get it together. I think I found the perfect spot. They prefer cooler weather. I'm a hard-headed gardener. I'm in the mood to plant some seeds. So we're gonna go out and plant some seeds. We're gonna do some more basil. We're gonna do some kale. I love kale, eat kale all year round. So I wanna keep that coming. Carrots, you all know how I feel about these doggone carrots. Hit or miss, hit or miss. I'm gonna find some place where I can plant them, where they're gonna get some sun as well as maybe some shade because carrots do kind of sort of like a little cool weather. But I'm hard-headed. I'm gonna plant them in shade and we're gonna see what happens. Ideally, I would want to plant these in like late July, August, September. I'm gonna plant them now. I wanna get them started. That's just me, I'm a hard-headed gardener. I like to just try things out for myself so that I can say, hey, I've tried it and it doesn't work. Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. I have to visit her every time I come out here. I'm getting obsessed with this Love Lies Bleeding Amaranth. I'm obsessed with her. Look at her. You know how us girls do it. That's what she's doing. And too cute. Look at the baby. And I've got another one growing here. I had one over here, but I kind of figured it may not make it. See it there? That one didn't make it, but I am so happy. I wasn't sure about this one either. This is my Sweet 100 tomato plant. We got tomatoes. I'm just waiting for them to get some color on them. Yes. The flea beetles are beetling, biting it up. It is 80 degrees out here today. It's like 2 in the afternoon. I should have come out here earlier. I just kind of laid around for a little bit. Energy was just low and I had to really force myself to get out here. This perimenopausal stage is kicking my butt. I just need a little time to get it together. I think I found the perfect spot for my carrot. Okay, so catch the vision with me. Okay, there's a tree above here. I think I've shown you guys this tree so many times. The corner space of my backyard. Yes, so that's the garden. This is the corner of the backyard. And right here, I've got some mustard greens growing nicely. I have harvested about 3 or 4 times now, which means it's happy here. I've got squash growing back here, yellow squash. It's doing okay. I don't see any fruit yet. Lots of male flowers. I don't see any females yet. Oh no, I see one. There she is. I knew they were coming. It's another one right here. I'm seeing that the squash doesn't mind a little shade, a little afternoon shade. You get back on your side. She don't want you touching her. I'm gonna plant some carrots right in here. I think this is a perfect spot. That's one of the great things about dropping seeds during this time of the year. At 80 degrees, these seeds are gonna germinate so fast. I like that, I like that. All right, come over here and also check on my melons here. I've got the yellow canary. Something's been eating it, but there's substantial growth here. There's another one here. That's a nasturtium planted in here. I wanted to like cascade over this planter here. Stuff is biting. I mean, look, I know these are Japanese beetles. They get me every year. These rose bushes, sometimes I want to just pull them out, but then I end up leaving them. Honeydew melon is coming through. I planted more seeds. I don't see any more. Oh, here's one. So yeah, there's 2 here. And I think that might be a 3rd one because I'm pretty sure I planted at least 3. So yeah, 2 out of 3. A possibly, a maybe. And same thing here. I've got 1, 2, and 3. So it looks like all 6 of my seeds germinated. 100% germination rate. They all make it to the finish line? I can't answer that one. We hope for the best though. We do hope for the best. Way too much rain. Look at that. Peroxide and water solution on this. That is what I need to do. See a little broccoli head forming in there. Purple sprouting broccoli. Checking on the figs. Soft. It's getting softer. Oh my goodness, this flower is intoxicating. One of the best aromas in the garden. Oh, so sweet. Place it in one of those little small bud vases. Put it on my nightstand so I can just inhale it all through the night. Good stuff. Hi, Nala. Hi, Eden. Playtime. Hi, Delta. Okay, these are ones I'm planting. I'm planting one here, one there. How small these seeds are. Let me go here. Okay, that's the rainbow mix. The scarlet carrots, again, super small. I'm just gonna sprinkle. Grow it from the root, then she played that. OCD chick better state that. E-lock rolling deep, can't break that. Young and tender, bringing that flame from the dirt to the dish. She changing the game. Hydro locked in, ain't nothing the same. E-lock nation, remember the name. I'm gonna put a couple of these back. Grab too many. All right, so those are the carrots. I have buckets and totes all over my garden to catch rainwater. Let's go ahead and water these in. And it's nice and cool over here. So I should get some good germination over here. And we'll see what we get. OCD chick, she don't follow, she lead. She plant it, she grow it, she live what she speak. There's that white butterfly. See her? See her flying over there? She stays in my garden. Nobody invited her. It's snack time. It's snack time, it's snack time. There's another one down here. It is snack time. The raspberries are raspberrying. I forgot my mic again. I'm sorry, you guys. I have to remember to wear my mic out here. That was a nice snap. Coda just wants to be so close to me. He's like, I'm here to protect you. Yeah, buddy. Handsome self. He's got on my favorite color. That orange looks so good against his dark coat. Kale and some basil. Wherever I see dark soil, I'm gonna plant. Right here next to this chamomile. This butter crunch lettuce is going to seed. To make sure it's nice and fluffy. Able to reach down. Okay. I'm just sprinkling them in. Put a couple of them back. That was the dwarf blue. Let's do some Russian kale. Actually, I'm gonna do the basil over here in this little corner part here. About 3 seeds. Okay. Got those in there. Got these in here. Okay. Russian kale here. And these are the kale. Just sprinkling them in. And just cover them lightly. And get them watered in. All these bare spots, I want to fill all these spots in. Water that in. Water in over here. A little airflow down here. Open it up some. Clean that up a bit. Just steady catching this rainwater. Oh, look what I spotted today. All right now, I see baby cucumbers. Awesome. Yeah, this is really getting some growth on it, like overnight. Growing like a weed, as they say. That is a good sign. I want it to just run right up along the fencing here. Yes, let me stand back and look at her. Yeah, so we can compare and contrast. Things are looking up in the garden. Oh, tomatoes on the way. Got some buds and some flowers. That's a good thing. Yes, come on and make my day. All right, woodworm, you are next. We're gonna harvest you next. Some of the benefits of growing woodworm. So yeah, we're going to talk about this. We're going to harvest and talk about this plant here. Some of the medicinal uses and benefits. I'm over here too. All right, Big Frida. These daily vlogs are putting me to work, okay? Y'all praying for me? I'm going to do my best to keep this going. Hearing from you all helps me, encourages me. Tell me what's on and popping in your garden. We're gonna do a little something with these. Got these from BJ's Wholesale Club for $12 and some change. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you tomorrow. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.